Welcome back to Kay's Cozy Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you an easy recipe to make this creamy, cheesy spinach artichoke dip. And to start with the ingredients, I'm using 12 ounces of spinach, 1 cup of an Italian blend of shredded cheese, or you could just use mozzarella, some minced garlic, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 3/4 cup of sour cream, some Parmesan, which I will shred later, 8 ounces of cream cheese, artichoke hearts, and I have some center cut bacon, but you could use any type of bacon. And for this recipe, I would say to use about 5 to 6 slices. I am using 6 here. And just cut this into smaller pieces before cooking in the pan. Once you're done, add that chopped bacon to your pan and fry it for about 8 to 10 minutes or until crispy. And once the bacon is done, you can remove it from the pan. And in that same pan, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of butter to melt into that bacon grease that was left before adding in some diced onion, as well as some minced garlic. And you want to let this cook for a couple minutes before adding in your spinach, which you can add in by a few handfuls at a time. If your pot's big enough, you can add most of it at once. And once the spinach has cooked down and wilted, you can add in the chopped artichokes and stir that together. If you're not a fan of keeping the spinach whole, you can definitely chop it up before or after cooking. I didn't mind, so I left it there, and I'm just adding in that cream cheese, sour cream, and mayo, and mixing that until combined. Then you want to season your mixture, so I'm using some Tony's Creole seasoning, crushed red pepper, salt, black pepper, this lemon butter garlic seasoning, and smoked paprika. And finally, you can add in your bacon, cheeses, so here's the Italian blend and the shredded Parmesan, and mix until combined. Now you can pour your mixture into a cast iron skillet or a baking dish. And I like to take a spatula to level the mixture before adding some additional cheese on top. Here I'm just shredding some Parmesan. Then I'll add the rest of the Italian blend that was left. And you'll want to bake this on 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes uncovered until the cheese is fully melted and golden brown on top. This dip is the perfect snack or appetizer to share. Let me know if you enjoyed this recipe in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.